Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to post a picture on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, on the screen you can see you're going to have to give your login details, then log in into your OnlyFans account. Once you've logged in, on your screen at the bottom you're going to find 5 options there: home, notification, create new post, chat, and your profile. Tap on create new post from the bottom of your screen. There you can see compose new post option. Go ahead and write what's on your mind. Then right below that text option you're gonna see 3 icons there: gallery, poll, and quiz. Go ahead, select gallery icon, select the photo that you want to upload, and tap on post from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you post a picture on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.